4 reasons to eat more citrus fruits. Brightly colored citrus fruits bring a burst of sunshine into winter days. But citrus fruits are not only flavorful and pretty, they're also good for you. This class of fruits includes lemons, limes, oranges and grapefruit, as well as many more hybrids and varieties. They have a bunch of health benefits, from boosting immunity to fighting cancer. What are citrus fruits? Citrus fruits grow on flowering trees and shrubs. They are characterized by a leathery rind and white pith that encases juicy segments. They're native to Australia, New Guinea, New Caledonia and possibly Southeast Asia. Interestingly, nearly a third of all citrus fruits are used to make juice. Here are some popular varieties of citrus fruits. Sweet oranges. Valencia, Navel, Blood Orange, Caracara. Mandarins. Satsuma, Clementine, Tanger, Tangelo. Limes. Persian, Key Lime, Kaffir. Grapefruit. White, Ruby Red, Oro Blanco. Lemons. Eureka, Meyer. Other kinds. Citron, Sudachi, Yuzu, Pomelos. 1. They're rich in vitamins and plant compounds. Citrus fruits are an excellent source of vitamin C, a nutrient that strengthens the immune system and keeps your skin smooth and elastic. In fact, just one medium orange has all the vitamin C you need in a day. Citrus fruits also have good amounts of other vitamins and minerals that your body needs to function properly, including B vitamins, potassium, phosphorus, magnesium and copper. Additionally, they are rich in plant compounds that have various health benefits, including anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. 2. They're a good source of fiber. Citrus fruits are a good source of fiber. Just 1 cup of orange segments contains 4 grams of fiber. To put that in perspective, it's recommended that you consume 14 grams of fiber for every 1,000 calories you eat. It's estimated that only 4% of men and 13% of women in the US get that amount. Fiber has several health benefits, including improving digestive health and aiding weight loss. Oranges are particularly high in soluble fiber, the kind of fiber that helps lower cholesterol levels. Compared to other fruits and vegetables, citrus fruits are unique in that they have a higher ratio of soluble to insoluble fiber. 3. Citrus fruits are low in calories. If you're watching your calorie intake, citrus fruits are a good choice. They're low in calories, yet their water and fiber contents help fill you up. Here's how many calories the main kinds of citrus fruits contain. 1 small clementine, 35. 1 medium orange, 62. 1/2 pink grapefruit, 52. 1/2 white grapefruit, 39. Juice from 1 lemon, 12. 4. They may help fight or protect against cancer. In one study, people who ate 1 grapefruit or drank 1 serving of grapefruit juice daily had a lower risk of lung cancer. Other studies have suggested that citrus fruits may also protect against esophageal, stomach, breast and pancreatic cancers. These fruits contain a host of plant compounds, including flavonoids, that may help protect against cancer. Some of these flavonoids act as antioxidants and may block the expression of certain genes that are responsible for some degenerative diseases, including cancer. Citrus fruits may also help fight cancer by suppressing cancers, blocking the formation of new cancers and making carcinogens inactive.